Tell us your name and ask the question.
Namaste, Swamiji. My name is Asha and I'm from Dallas, Texas. I don't know if this is correct, so I need your clarity on that. If as a Jivatma, when I dream, I'm borrowing some intelligence and material, dreaming material, and creating this dream. So there is some Shrishti, Sthiti, and Pralaya, if we have to understand. Am I getting a glimpse of Ishvara's role there? That's what Ishvara is
True,
saying.
in a dream we play the role of a mini Ishvara, mini God, by creating dream worlds and then playing around in those dream worlds and dissolving those dream worlds and waking out of it. Now what Ishvara does is exactly the same role in this waking world.
So, given that my dream is can be different every time,
Yes.
so Ishvara holds on to something which is not manifested too?
Yes, Ishvara, power of Ishvara. Ishvara is God. Power of Ishvara is called Maya. And Maya has, one of the aspects of Maya is the storehouse of vasanas, impressions, of basically the entire universe in an unmanifest form. And a part of that is manifested in each creation.
Oh, okay.
All right.
Thank you.